In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade your Hubstaff subscription. Whether you're looking to add more features or accommodate a growing team, upgrading your Hubstaff plan can enhance your productivity and help you manage your workspace more efficiently. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Hubstaff account. If you're already logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubstaff dashboard. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll see a variety of options, but what you're looking for is your organization icon. This icon is typically located at the top of your screen, often in a toolbar above. Once you've identified it, go ahead and click on the organization icon. This step is crucial as it will lead you to the menu specifically dedicated to your organization settings. After clicking on the organization icon, a drop-down menu will appear. This is your organization menu, housing different settings and actions related to the management of your organization within Hubstaff. Browse through the options until you find what you're looking for. This menu offers a lot of functionality, so it's always worth taking a moment to note what else you can access here. Now, the next step is to proceed by clicking on Action. This is another important directive in navigating your way through Hubstaff's various options. It's through the Action menu that you can manage more specific tasks related to your account. Once you've clicked Action, look for the section labeled Manage Billing. This is where the magic happens when it comes to upgrading your subscription. The Manage Billing section is where you will control your billing details, invoices, and subscription plans. Here, you'll have the opportunity to review your current plan and consider what kind of upgrades might suit your needs best. Once you've clicked on Manage Billing, take some time to explore the available options. Hubstaff might offer different plans tailored to various levels of needs, so review these choices carefully. Consider the size of your team, the features you require, and any other aspects that might influence your decision. Upgrading a subscription is a straightforward process, but it's always worth verifying all the details before you proceed. After you've made your selection, follow any on-screen instructions to complete the upgrade. This typically involves confirming your new plan and providing any additional billing information if necessary. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the process of upgrading your Hubstaff subscription. Remember, the right plan can make a significant difference in managing your team's efficiency and facilitating smoother operations. If you ever need further adjustments or support, you can return to this Manage Billing section or consult Hubstaff support resources. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.